Okay, hello and good day everyone, no? So today we will discuss naman about the arc addition postulate, no? Total nabanggit naman din natin yung angle addition postulate doon sa unang topic, i-discuss naman natin yung tinatawag na arc addition postulate. Okay? So arc addition postulate, it states that in a circle, if point X is on a RT, then measure of arc RT is equal to measure of arc X plus measure of arc XT. Okay? So yan ang sa arc addition postulate. Okay, example here. Okay, measure of arc x is equal to 45 degrees and your measure of arc xt is equal to 67 degrees. What is your measure of arc rt? Okay, so ito yung figure natin, no? Ito yung rx, ito yung xt, no? So yung si rx daw is in between of arc rt, no? That will makes measure of arc rt is equal to the sum of measure of arc x and measure of arc xt. Okay? Now, sabi dito, no? Rx daw, no, dito sa example natin, 45 degrees. And then si xt naman is 67 degrees. What is your RT? Now, again, using the arc addition postulate, add natin, no? Substitute your Rx to 45, your xt naman to 67. 45 plus 67, that would be equal to 112 degrees for your measure of arc RT. Okay? Another one. Okay, how about this one? In the figure, if measure of angle measure of arc CBA is 109 degrees and your measure of arc AB is equal to 28 degrees, find your measure of arc CB. Okay? So CBA, ito yon, CBA, no? And then yung AB natin ito, and yung CB naman natin ito. Now, using the arc addition postulate, no, we are going to find the measure of arc CB. Substitute your CBA to 109 degrees. Your CB, unknown pa. And then your AB is equal to 28 degrees. No? Substitute your 28 degrees to the other side. Then we have 109 minus 28 degrees equal to measure of arc CB. So 109 minus 28, that would be equal to 81 degrees for your measure of arc CB. So yung measure of arc CB natin is 81 degrees. Ito. 81 siya. Okay? Next, AD naman, no? Here, using the same figure, your COB, angle COB is equal to 70 degrees. Then yung angle BOA natin is 35 degrees. What is your arc AD? Okay, so anong kinalaman ni arc addition postulate dito, sir? Okay, so how can we find the measure of arc AD, no? Kung yung angle, yung central angle niya is AOB, walang given, no? So first thing to do, gamitin muna natin yung mga measure of arcs na itong mga central angles. Now, unahin natin kay CD. CD is equal to BD plus BA plus AD. Okay? So si CD, itong buong CD, no? Buong CD is equal daw siya kay CB plus BA plus AD. Now, ano yung arc measure ni CD? 180 degrees. Why? Kasi CD, from C to D, we can form a semicircle here. No? So, semicircle, kalahati ng circle is equal to 180 degrees kasi yung buong revolution o yung buong angle measure ng circle is 360 degrees. Yung kalahati, 180 degrees. Then, yung arc CB natin, this one, no? Ano yung measure niya? Given that yung angle COB natin 70 degrees, ito, COB natin 70 degrees, therefore, yung CB natin is also 70 degrees, arc CB. Next, BA naman, ito, arc BA. What is the measure of arc BA? Okay, so given dito yung measure of angle BOA, which is the central angle of arc BA. Okay, BOA is equal to 35 degrees. Then, the intercepted arc of angle BOA, which is BA, is also equal to 35 degrees. Okay? AD, unknown pa. Okay? So, yun ang nawawala. Now, 70 plus 35, that would be equal to 105 degrees, no? Then transpose 105 to the other side. Then we have 180 minus 105, no, equal to arc AD. So 180 minus 105, that would be equal to 75 degrees. So that is your measure of arc AD. 75 degrees. Okay? Dali lang. How about this one? If measure of arc MN, no, panibagong figure, MN is equal to 5x and then yung measure of arc NP natin is 6x minus 1, find the value of x if measure of arc MNP is equal to 131 degrees. So ito yung MN, ito yung NP, no? Hanapin naman natin yung MNP. Now, again, measure of arc MNP is equal to measure of arc MN plus measure of arc NP. Substitute your MNP to 131 degrees, no? Equal to yung MN natin is 5x, yung NP natin is 6x minus 1. Okay? Then solve for the value of x here. Substitute, no? I mean transpose, no? Yung negative 1 to the other side. 131 plus 1 equal to 5x plus 6x is 11x. 131 plus 1 is equal to 132, no? Then divide both sides by 11, no? 132 divided by 11, that would be equal to 12. Okay? Cancel this out, then your x is 12. Okay? So, madali lang. Now, dagdagan natin. What about your arc MN and then arc NP? So, ilan naman si arc MN and then arc NP? No? So, given na dito si... Copy ko lang to. Okay? Since your x here is equal to 12, okay, what is your measure of arc MN? Okay? Your measure of arc MN is equal to 5x. Okay? Ito yung MN natin. And then, substitute your x to 12. No? So, we have here 5 times 12. Tama? Okay? 5 times 12, that would be equal to 60. Okay? So, 60. Yung measure of arc MN natin. Okay? So, yan. No? Yung MN natin, measure of arc MN natin is 60 degrees. What about for your MNP? No? Okay? I mean NP, sorry. MNP. Yung NP natin is equal to 6x minus 1. Okay? Okay, substitute na your x to 12, no? So we have 6 times your x is 12. So we have 6 times 12 minus 1. Okay? So 6 times 12, that would be equal to 72. Tama? Okay, equal to 72 siya. Minus 1 is equal to 71. Okay? So, yung measure of arc, NP natin is equal to 71 degrees. Oops. Yan. Okay? Highlight lang natin. Yan. So, nakuha na natin si MN, nakuha na rin natin si NP. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa next. No? Okay. Exercise tayo. Now, what is the measure of arc KLM if your measure of arc KL is 18 degrees and your LM is 90 degrees? Okay. So, si okay, KLM, ito yon KLM. No? Si KL is 18, then si LM is 90. No? So here, using the arc addition postulate, your KLM is equal to KL plus LM. Okay? Substitute, no? Your KL to 18, your LM naman to 90. So 18 plus 90 is equal to 108 degrees. So your measure of arc KLM is 108 degrees. Okay? Another one. If measure of arc NPK is equal to 178 degrees and your PK is equal to 99 degrees, what is your NP? Okay? NPK. Ito yun. NPK. Si PK is equal to 99. NPK natin is 178. What is your NP? Again, using the arc addition postulate, no? Substitute your NPK to 178, your PK to 99, your NP is unknown pa. Then transpose 99 to the other side. Then we have 178 minus 99 equal to measure of arc NP. Okay? Now, 178 minus 99, that would be equal to 79 degrees for your measure of arc NP. Okay? So, ganun lang kadali, no? Next, how about this one? If measure of arc LM is equal to 7y plus 4 degrees, measure of arc NP, no? Nagdoble ng equal sign. Tayin ko lang. Okay? Your arc MN is equal to 3y minus 8 degrees and your measure of arc LMN is equal to 166 degrees. What is your Y? Okay? Now, your LMN is equal to measure of arc LM plus measure of arc MN. No? If your LM 7, your LMN is 166, your LM is 7y plus 4, your MN is 3y minus 8. No? Find your Y. Okay? Now, first thing to do, remove muna natin itong mga degree signs. No? And then, transpose naman yung mga constant dito sa left side. So, 166 minus 4 plus 8 equal to 7y plus 3y. No? 166 minus 4 plus 8 is equal to 170. Then 7y plus 3y is equal to 10y. Then divide both sides by 10. No? 170 divided by 10 is equal to 17. Then cancel this out. Your y here is 17. Okay? Now, okay. Ganun lang pala, no? Okay. So your y here is 17, no? Okay, yung LM, pag-find ng arc LM tsaka MN nasa exercise na yan. Okay? So that's it. Thank you for listening, and again, do not forget to answer your exercises. Okay? That's all. Goodbye and God bless.